I was told a total knee replacement was my only option, and I couldn't walk upstairs without excruciating pain. But what if you could naturally rebuild your joint cartilage without major surgery? I found my answer and my mobility in Guadalajara, Mexico. Guadalajara is known as the Silicon Valley of Mexico, with world-class medical districts catering to international patients. All biological and cellular therapies in Mexico are strictly regulated by COFEPRIS, ensuring ISO-certified cleanroom laboratories. Care is delivered by top-tier board-certified traumatologists and orthopedic specialists using laboratory-expanded mesenchymal cells. These clinics blend advanced science with patient-centered care and international support services. There are three main biological protocols used to treat knee osteoarthritis naturally in Guadalajara. Procedure 1 uses Wharton Jelly-derived mesenchymal cells sourced ethically from umbilical cords to promote cartilage regeneration. These youthful cells home in on inflammation and rebuild cartilage without immune rejection. Procedure 2 adds exosome superchargers to accelerate healing signals and amplify tissue repair. Procedure 3 blends laboratory-expanded stem cells with the patient's own platelet-rich plasma to nourish new cells. An intra-articular injection delivers these therapies directly into the synovial fluid to neutralize inflammation and promote regeneration. Before and after visuals show a bone-on-bone gray joint contrasted with a smoothly gliding regenerated knee. In the United States or Canada, similar treatments often cost between $8,000 and $15,000 or more per knee. In Guadalajara, patients can access vastly superior cell counts of 25 to 50 million or more per knee for $3,000 to $5,000. Those savings of roughly 70% come from favorable exchange rates and streamlined healthcare, not lower quality. All-inclusive packages typically include expanded mesenchymal cells, orthopedic consultations, pre-op imaging, and VIP airport and hotel transfers. Dedicated patient advocates and translators guide international patients through every step of the process. Top verified clinics offer COFEPRIS certification, pristine facilities, and experienced regenerative teams. Take the first step toward lasting mobility. Reach out to PlacidWay now for a free medical case review and see how affordable world-class stem cell therapy can be.